Spanish hemstitching is a delightful addition to any project. It is used to join two finished edges together. It works well to attach borders or edging to a skirt or to a curtain, or for example, to achieve the width needed on a tablecloth. You use a variety of decorative stitches, and I'll even show you how you can cord the middle of the hem-stitched area, and it's great to join lace or ribbon along a folded edge. You can have a folded edge, you can add this to a facing, or even if it's corded, the decorative stitch you choose will jump over and catch on both sides. So to start off, what we're going to do is place the Spanish hemstitching foot on the machine, and then we're going to add this hem stitch distant plate. On the newer machines, this is just going to attach to the two holes that are in the throat plate of the machine. I'm going to take a quick little stitch here and draw my bobbin thread and bring my needle thread down through the foot, and we'll take our fabrics, and all we need to do is take our two folded edges and put them up against that plate. Now a nice long tail out the back will be great, because when you start stitching, some of your stitches are going to start in air, and that way until the first stitch gets over to the fold, you've got control over those threads. And all you really need to do is just let it run right down that spacer. Now in that little space distance maker there is a groove. So if we stop, we could add some cord to that and make a nice decorative insert for your project. Wouldn't this be fun to add to the bottom of a little girl's dress, or add some extra embellishments, whether it be lace or ribbon? You want to choose a decorative stitch that's going to catch on both sides, and possibly with some extra stitches in the middle. Most machines are going to have a variety of stitches. Try out the length, try out the width, and see what you like. So let's do this. Let's set our needle down, our presser foot up, and let's go ahead. Now this cord I have is just a hair thick for the little groove. So I'm just going to help it in with the little seam ripper here. But once it's in, everything is going to be guided with me. I'm going to choose a slightly different stitch here, and then that way it's going to catch to the middle just nicely. Again, I'm going to just give it a little bit of help just because it's a little thicker, but it's really kind of neat to add a nice little color accent down the middle of your two pieces of fabric. And as you can see, I really don't have to do anything for guiding the fabric. The foot and the little holder keeps everything equidistant apart. Isn't that pretty?